How do I read binary pickle data first, then unpickle it? I'm unpickling a networks object that's about 1 GB in size on disk. Although I saved it in the binary format, using Protocol 2, it is taking a very long time to unpickle this file, at least half an hour. The system I'm running on has plenty of system memory, 128 GB, so that's not the bottleneck. I've read here that pickling can be sped up by first reading the entire file into memory, and then unpickling it. That particular thread refers to Python 3.0, which I'm not using, but the point should still be true in Python 2.6. How do I first read the binary file, and then unpickle it? I have tried. But this returns. Any ideas?
Pickle.load file expects a file-like object. Instead, use pickle.loads string. Read a pickled object hierarchy from a string. Characters in the string past the pickled object's representation are ignored.
The documentation mentions stringjo, which I think is one possible solution. Try.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.